Welcome to my unboxing video. Today a late unboxing of Winterfeast lob-star in-game variants to be unboxed. And nitro greetings will be unboxed. But today I got Series 3 4-bar jet-vac to unbox. A trap and another hand trap. I'm gonna see my hand trap protect. So first let's unbox the undead. What the unboxing, so see? There's new. Okay, so there is an undead hand trap. The same as the tech, or just does. Time to unbox the earth one. Okay, so now we just need to find the way in. There we go. Oh, that was the top parts. Doesn't matter. Write that out. Just put that back in. That needs a bit of taping. There's the earth one. It's like a sand trap thing. Looks fantastic. Now to leave the traps and stuff. Now it's time to unbox jet-vac. Whoopsie, I didn't my own camera now. It's okay, people, I just hit my own camera, which is not a brilliant idea to do. So it's not a good idea to hit my own camera. Okay, so here's a card. There's a sticker. And there he is, blast jet-vac. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing video. I'll see you next time. Bye!